Plastic piece comes off by popping out these plastic grommets. Get your flathead screwdriver under there, pop up the piece in the center, and then the whole clip will come out. This is about ready to come off. There's 2 screws, one on each end, that you need a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen it up, and then those pop out just the same way. So here we are, first piece off. Now I'm going to start working on taking off this core support, and I'm going to try to get to the condenser without removing the radiator. Hopefully that works out. But see, like this piece here is going to be in the way. I might just be able to leave that in there and slide the core support out from under it, these plastic pieces here. But if they need to come out, they got a grommet and 2 screws. Grommet, 2 screws should come out pretty easy. I just don't like to remove anything I don't need to. From the looks of this, the core support here is coming out, and then the centerpiece of the core support will have to be removed as well. These bolts got to come out here to get this latch off and out the way probably. As I remove the next couple pieces, I won't be able to film, but I'll update you on what I removed and how I did it.